Okay, I have arisen. Kasht hamir eri. This is the closest I can be to Australia whilst being in Japan. Shesho ho fasks urundo vi Australia at hamian Japan. I like to listen to the magpies in this game, as it reminds me of visiting my grandparents in the countryside. Stolum eistach rish na piaden an sayem sho, son hakoran mo huim, vi kor keli ed mo heneren an sanduich. I like this star road I made. Stolum and radranag sho rinmi. I heard great praise for this game when it was released and decided to buy it. Hol mi mol gemord in yem sho dar hored mach a agus runich mi chanach. I haven't been disappointed for the most part. Chanel mi edmo vial gemord. Sometimes I miss things in Australia, such as wattle or gum trees. Uren bi mi gandrechin rudenan Australia, mar shimler wattle na kruen gum. Living overseas can sometimes be tough. Hafurach hal harsh, kruai for amungam. Though I often miss Scotland as well. Ged hami kujach gyandrechin alban gutrich. Maybe that is my nature. Hego gune monaderhan. This game is more like Central Australia or the North. And game show nas kolti meen Australia nan tua. But I'm from Melbourne, so the environment is a little different. Ach, hamie Melbourne, mashen han aranach bichak mu. I would very much like to learn the language of Melbourne, Woiwurung or Bunwurung. Bugle holum kanen Melbourne yansach, Woiwurung na Bunwurung. But the languages are basically gone, and what's left of them are poorly written notes and word lists. Ach, hanakanen en guid voord ed follow, agus chanel eragal, ach notichen skriuch gudon, agus listichen achglan. My mother has chickens in her backyard. Hakarachken egmoved an schoolies. They were sick and she took them to the veterinarian. Vad saich agus hugiej, hun lei vir. They gave them implants to stop them laying eggs. Hugaj inflanskai los stadhord ed uyen vre. It was very expensive, and a couple of weeks afterwards they started laying eggs again. Va overstud agus begin chachken en jeshen, horsiched ed uyen breristich. I don't think Aboriginal people are too keen on white people learning their languages. Hamismunach nachel na priau dun an Australia royel ed dun gyal na kanen ach jansach. I don't blame them. Chanelmi gan korach. Really, white people caused the collapse of their culture in the first place. Gujaru, bedun gyal ruverich, tuchumen kulter ans hiraj. And even now are quite mean towards them. Agus jagans nish had gma mosach gai. At least I had something with which to hit the jellyfish. Kihu va rudginagam le sundo amud hech kvul. If memory serves, the jellyfish goo is used to make juice. But ha mohuen kasht had gushig glue vud hech son su yenu. They have jellyfish-flavored stuff in Japan. Hanien le blasmur hech ach an Japan. I have never eaten bush limes before. Hada yich mi lime and bush diauroi. I don't know if they are tasty or not. Genelisam wie het blast na nach viech. Oh, that is a magpie. Shiagi piaj. They are quite dangerous in Australia. Had balach kunnestach an Australia. I get a cold shiver when they fly overhead. Hig lush uach gorum that aviesid fosmochan. During certain seasons, they like to attack people. Ik schersen en zonlicht is tollo dun jansi. I don't know if these mushrooms are tasty. Halisam vel na balgan buached show blast. It seems like I haven't eaten a lot of things in this game. A koltach na helmi ed more an rudden ich ans yem show. A lot of these games seem to feature a watering can. A koltach gevel kan ushkehi am moran yena gamen and show. But the watering can seems somewhat unrealistic. Chanel and kan ushkehi ked fir riechkel. You know, I would like to have a field like this of my own. Haisat, betolum parich marsho agam hein. Maybe also some fruit trees. Stoch fedle kutje kruen mess. Due to my issues with sciatica, I wonder if I could actually do this sort of work. Le mochribleten, le sciatica, hamismunach am burundo and sourced obasho yenu. Though, my grandfather was doing the same stuff when he was in his 40s, and he also had a bad back. Gedvar mo hened, jenu and obed kieden, darva da iched ush agus va crutch don ex kujach. I find thinking about that somewhat uplifting. The vis mi smunach chen ha togeltach. I have never eaten a kwandong. Hado yich mi kwandong riau. I shall endeavour to try some of these things in the future. Fech miri kud jena rudenshol vlas, antanamri jech. I like trying new foods. Stolum bia ur eigen. Shen agi piaj el. It's a good thing they don't attack you in this game. Shenrud ma nacheled tad yansi orin ans yem show. The crocodiles do though. Ach, hana krolen tad yansi orin geda. It is important to collect grass in this game to make feed. Hakujimach fer grunach ans yem show losken ni bia. But actually finding grass can be a little tough. Ach ha begen kruai fer gle gujaru. So I'm storing raw meat in a box. Marshen hami stored fuel owl box. I don't think it is cool either. Huledchen hami smunach nachela ed urach. No kangaroo ribs, fortunately. Chanel ashnen kangaroo an geforschenach. I need to sell some stuff. Femi kudje nien chrech. I gave a knock on the door, but they didn't open. Rog me ed endors ach hadosgladja. I think games like this are good on handheld consoles. Hamien weg, gewel gamen en maar seo, ma et console and lie. I find that first-person shooters are a bit tougher to play on handheld consoles. Hami finnach gewel gamen en loski kied pears, begin na stulich, chlei, et console and lie. Okay, time to get my fishing rod out. Kjash, steam and tlat iskich agams had mach. It doesn't seem so flexible. Chanel kaid roho lubi. Anyway, I might finish the video here. Kihu, gudin kriech chored video and job. Thank you very much for watching and a blessing to you all. Tapale ul agus bianach le ul.